Mosindi Jilbu General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi kunalo meeting akayi-attendile nokwenza nemfazwe yonoteksi involve ke phofi kwaDukuza nemaphumula Taxi Associations. Uphuma kulo meeting leyo niyamazi kaloku izinto akazenzayo yena zezesizwe akakwazi kambe nga-interviewanga. Hayi kuya-interviewa ke ngokapha ngaphandle and ke let's give some credit to Nhlanhla Mabaso ke ushude Nhlanhla noba seke khona nobe sidla ushude uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi wethu. Hayi ke ubhizi ya-interviewa ke apho xa ke interviewa njalo hayi ke azama ukuyicacisa into yoba hayi onoteksi mabayeke ukuthathela lezinto ezandleni zabo kubo nezifazi ezandleni zabo uba ngabakhona apho bengavisisani khona mabathathe ezinye zezinto bazilahlele kumakhoti then umthetho udlala indima yawo. Akaphelelanga apho qha ke aqhubeke atsho athi yena uyarhalela ukubona into yoba even i-taxi owners ezi kube zizwe ze-account type because ngabona abantu abaqashana ne-taxi drivers ezihlukumezana nabantu okanye ezindleleni sometimes ngaphezulu ikwazi i-taxi owners eziqashana nabantu eziqashana nenkabi into yoba kuyobulawana nabantu. Mose siyayazi umthetho wethu usually kuba ngumuntu ozabe ubulewe xa kubanjwe lo bulele most of the time iphelela phi case ngendlela esibona beqhuba ngazo but ke niyazi mandate ye-PKTT into yoba yona ayijongi nje apha qhamos iba nokudlulela into yoba bafuna ukwazi motive so jika ubulala lo muntu bokutheni ubuthunywe ngubani bafuna izinto ezingapha so ke ngoku uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi uza ngalo angle le into yoba kwaleyo manje kuvele kuyafuna into yoba even bona ze-account azatsho athi futhi aba bathengana nenkabi bakhona khonapha besithetha nabo bakhona khonapha ayi madoda wanikhumbuza mhla esesidzikizikini sabo madoda esithi nje hayi madoda uba nifuna impi tshoni si-ready.
And what we know is that there's no hitman that just wakes up and go and shoot. He gets hired by someone. And the people that will hire the hitman are they were in this hall today. We invited all of them to come in here and we warned them about it, that if there's any incident that happens, they are going to be responsible. Because they are the ones that are responsible for hiring security. They are the ones responsible for hiring people that are causing harm. They are the ones that are hiring drivers. They are the ones that are authorizing the misbehavior out there on the road. So if, as the leaders of this association, take responsibility, nothing will happen out there. So as and when something happens, they should be the first to be brought before the law.
So ingakho enengicasulayo kakhulu ilokuthi unimasevinjiwe la insizwa zelezi iziqashile ezibenzela nini simasifika sikhuluma zithi amana ukukhuluma nekhulu izona esiyasizeka bese sithatha imoto ke ngithi ngivime ngapha nangapha ngiliqoqa lezi imoto bayalwa futhi uyayizwa la angeke kufike ukuphula umthetho amaphoyisa mathi yasebenza bese futhi uphilulisa amaphepha futhi masulisa amaphoyisa ke acaca ukuthi sekuyimpi asilweni
hayi aselwi ba
asimisele ngokulwa nayo so sivumelene ukuthi ngesonto sizokuthina kutshela isikhathi sizoconfirm isikhathi during the day.